English legal 100 word per minute. The accused is facing trial for committing offence under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code. Full stop. Para. The case of prosecution, in brief, is that 1. Sanjeevani Sambhaji Yadgir, Samta Nagar, Udgir, lodged report in police station Udgir, rural, stating that her husband Sambhaji was labor in a mill. Full stop. The accused is her neighbor. On 11/8/2019 at 7 a.m. when she herself and her husband were present in the house, a quarrel was going on in front of the house of the accused. Full stop. Hence, she herself and her husband came outside. Full stop. Then her husband took her inside house on the ground that the accused is under influence of liquor. Full stop. At that time, the accused asked her husband as to how he was alleging him as a drunkard and further stated that his name is Vijay and threatened to kill Sambhaji. Full stop. Then the informant and her husband went inside the house. Full stop. Para. It is further averred that at 7 p.m. her husband returned home. Full stop. At that time also the accused came in front of the house of informant while quarreling. Full stop. Therefore, the informant's husband requested the accused not to quarrel in front of their house. Full stop. On this, the accused stated him that in the morning also Sambhaji alleged the accused as drunkard and then caught hold her husband's collar, by saying that he will not let her husband alive, the accused knocked her husband on a stone and sat on his chest. Full stop. Therefore, the informant and other persons took the accused beside. Full stop. The informant tried to talk with her husband, but in vain. Full stop. Therefore, with the help of her neighbors Bhaurao Panchal and others, she carried her husband to the hospital of Dr. Kendre in auto rickshaw of Ganesh Panchal. Full stop. In the way, wife of the accused named Harubai also sat in auto rickshaw. Full stop. Dr. Kendre advised to take her husband to government hospital, Udgir and, therefore, she took her husband to the government hospital where doctor declared her husband as dead. Full stop. Thus, according to the informant, the accused committed murder of her husband by knocking him on a big stone and by sitting on his chest. Full stop. Para. On the strength of this report, crime number 302/2019 came to be registered under section 302 of the IPC, and investigation was handed over to PSI Anaspure, who during investigation conducted inquest Panchanama of the dead body of the deceased. Full stop. The post-mortem examination was conducted, spot Panchanama was prepared in presence of Panchas, statements of witnesses were recorded, the statement of informant and Ganesh Panchal were got recorded under section 164 of the CRPC after arresting the accused, and on completion of investigation, charge sheet came to be filed in the court of learned JMFC Udgir. Para. Since the offence punishable under section 302 of the Indian Penal Code is triable by the Court of Sessions, the learned JMFC, Udgir committed the case to the Court of Sessions wide order dated 15/11/2019. Para. In the meantime, charge Exhibit 19 was framed against the accused for the offence punishable under Section 302 of the Indian Penal. Full stop. It was read over and explained to him in vernacular, to which he pleaded not guilty and claimed to be tried. Full stop. After closure of evidence of prosecution, his statement came to be recorded under Section 313 in bracket 1 bracket complete in bracket B bracket complete of CRPC at Exhibit 15. Para. It is defense of accused that the informant had illicit relation with one Shivaji, which fact was narrated by him to the deceased Sambhaji, and due to the said